Is it a right triangle? Let's find out. Here's our first example. We are going to use Pythagorean's theorem to help us decide if these three side lengths form a right angle. Since 33 is the largest number, we will use 33 to replace C. The other two will be A and B. I've replaced all of our variables with the corresponding numbers. Next, we need to evaluate the exponents. 25 plus 8 equals 33. 33 does not equal 1089, therefore, these three side lengths do not form a right triangle. Here's our next example. We will use Pythagorean's theorem to test to see if these side lengths form a right angle, or a right triangle. 17 is our largest number, so we will use that for our hypotenuse, or C. Here we have replaced all of the variables with the corresponding sides. Next, we evaluate the exponents. As you can see, 64 plus 225 is 289. 289 equals 17 squared, which is 289. So yes, these three side lengths form a right triangle. Here is our last example. 2 is our largest number, so we will use that as C squared. Substitute your side lengths for your A, B, and C variables. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 4 equals 4, so yes, this also forms a right triangle.